Hello my friends, I'm just out here taking advantage of some warm weather. It's only about 0 degrees Celsius. It's about 2 in the afternoon. I think it's January 9th. And it's my garden, what it looks like in the middle of winter, and why I haven't been putting up too many videos as of late. So hope you're all doing well. As you can see, my garden is well insulated with snow, but that's not really what I'm doing out here today. What I'm doing out here was clearing off the snow off of my beehives. It was in the minus 30 degrees Celsius for, well, a lot of the end of December and beginning of January, so I just left the snow on there as an insulator, which is a good little winter beekeeping tip also. I'm removing it now so it doesn't melt and run down, and then when it gets cold again I get ice all in the insulation and on my straps. But a lot of people wonder, you know, are my bees alive or what's going on, right? Because there's no sign of them anywhere. There's no dead bees out. It's far too cold where I live in Alberta for them to come out on a cleansing flight, even when it's warmed up like it is today. But I know some people in southern Alberta have their bees flying, which is wonderful for them. But yeah, you can't hear anything. You can't be really knocking on the hive, or you can use a stethoscope if you have one. I don't. But yeah, so when it was really cold, it was minus 33, I come out to see if, you know, what's going on out here. You have all this snow on top. If the bees weren't alive, it wouldn't have heated up, warmed up the snow enough to melt into a layer of ice. Right? This is all from the heat from the bees melting the bottom part of the snow. But yeah, I'm just removing the snow. Pretty sure my bees are fine. Like I said, it's January. I had some videos coming. I'm doing some flavor and herbal extracts, making some mead. Maybe I'll make some videos on that, and getting some seeds starting to come in. I think I got a box in there to open. Maybe I'll make a video of that. Gardening 2022, the first seeds. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video. Oh, and maybe say something about these straps. In the winter, going into winter, got a lot of brood in those bottom boxes down here, and they'll hatch out and more won't be laid, at least not as many, and that bottom box gets really light. And I got honey in the top boxes, so if wind comes along, you got really light box in the bottom, and top is heavy, it'll just blow right over. So it's important to keep them strapped down, not just putting a weight on top. Actually, putting a weight on top makes it worse, because like I said, you got no weight in the bottom box and then more on top. So if you add weight to keep the lid on or keep the boxes from blowing over, it actually makes it even more top heavy and likely to fall over. And when it's cold in the middle of winter, you don't want them falling over. But yeah, as you can see, this one has no strap, because before all this snow in the minus 30s, it was raining, and the straps all got ice in them. So I took them off to warm them up in the house. And when I came back out, well, as you can see, it's like a foot of snow on everything. But yeah, just to look around, all the lovely snow. The trees looked a lot nicer with the snow on them, but it's warmed up today, so it's mostly fallen off. But yeah, it's like, I think it's about 2 in the afternoon, and it's about as high as the sun will be. It's actually started going down, of course. But yeah, winter in north central Alberta. And just a couple beekeeping tips while I'm out here. But yeah, hope you're all doing well wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.